Hard work. It's what our community is built on. It keeps us strong, healthy, keeps our loved ones safe and happy. But hard work goes so much farther than the regular workday. It's all around us, all the time, in everything we do. This is our community, where we work, live, play, and love. Every single one of us plays a small role in something much larger. Together, we can do anything. And that's why we're here. Unions help to bring fairness into the workplace. Unifor Local 27. Your union, our community. Visit bestofblue.ca.